The future of space exploration is no longer science fiction. We stand at the edge of a new era where sending humans to Mars is no longer a dream, but a plan in motion. But is Mars really our final destination? Or just the first step in something much bigger? For decades, Mars has fascinated scientists and dreamers alike. It's the planet most like Earth in our solar system. It has seasons, polar ice caps, and evidence that water once flowed there. But Mars is no paradise. Its atmosphere is 100 times thinner than Earth's and made mostly of carbon dioxide. Temperatures can drop to -100 degrees Celsius at night. Radiation from the sun bombards its surface. Yet despite these challenges, major space agencies and private companies are racing to get there. NASA plans to send astronauts to Mars in the late 2030s. Their Artemis program aims to build a sustainable human presence on the Moon first. Why the Moon? Because it's a perfect testing ground for technologies we'll need on Mars. Building habitats, extracting water, generating power, the Moon is our training base. Meanwhile, companies like SpaceX have far more ambitious timelines. Elon Musk wants to send the first crewed starship to Mars in this decade. He dreams of building a self-sustaining city on Mars with 1 million people. But the journey is no weekend road trip. A round trip to Mars could take 2 to 3 years. Astronauts will face long periods of isolation, zero immediate rescue options, and limited supplies. Then there's the landing. Mars' thin atmosphere makes slowing down a huge spacecraft incredibly tricky. NASA's Perseverance rover used supersonic parachutes and retro rockets just to land a 1-ton robot. Imagine doing that with humans, habitats, and life support systems. And once we're there, we have to stay alive. Mars settlers will need to grow their own food in greenhouses. They'll need to recycle air and water almost perfectly. And they'll need protection from radiation, maybe by building habitats underground or covering them with Martian soil. Despite all these obstacles, the idea of humans on Mars inspires people around the world. But why stop at Mars? Scientists and futurists already talk about venturing further. Mars may be the stepping stone to the outer solar system. Some dream of human missions to Jupiter's moons, like Europa or Ganymede. These icy worlds might hide vast oceans beneath their crusts, places where alien life could exist. Traveling there would take decades with current technology. We'd need nuclear propulsion or advanced ion drives to make the trip practical. Then there's Saturn's moon Titan, an eerie world with methane lakes and a thick atmosphere. One day, we might fly robotic submarines there or even send human explorers. Looking even further, interstellar exploration remains the ultimate goal. Right now, probes like Voyager and New Horizons are venturing into deep space, but slowly. Breakthrough Starshot, a private initiative, wants to send tiny laser-powered sails to Alpha Centauri, our nearest star system, at 20% the speed of light. That's still decades away from happening, but the idea is real. All of these dreams depend on technology we are developing right now. Reusable rockets, in situ resource utilization, closed-loop life support systems. Artificial intelligence to guide us and robots to help us build. And perhaps one day, humans born on Mars or the Moon will look back at Earth as the place their ancestors came from. Some scientists even say we must become a multi-planetary species to survive. They point to threats like asteroid impacts, nuclear war, or runaway climate change. By spreading out into the cosmos, we give humanity more chances to thrive. But space exploration is not just about survival. It's about curiosity, the need to know what's out there. It's about pushing the limits of what we can do. The same spirit that took humans to the Moon now drives us toward Mars and beyond. So, what do you think? Will humans stand on Mars in your lifetime? Will children born today grow up to visit other moons and planets? Or will we find new ways to explore the universe without leaving Earth? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this journey into the future of space, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more stories about our place in the cosmos. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure.